Hi patrons, just thought I'd touch base and let you know what I'm working on, give you a quick update or a little update of what's been happening. I'm currently modelling a couple of models to put up on Print Very Good, the website, and the first model is a SD card holder, another one. I like doing my SD card holders, and this one is actually in the form of a little filing cabinet. Now each drawer will hold about 12 SD cards, of the standard size SD cards. So the total storage will be about 36 SD cards. So I thought I'd just do something a little bit different, a little bit of fun. So it's just like a little filing cabinet that you can sit on your desk and store your SD cards. So that's just about ready. There's a few things I need to tweak on the runners on the side here. I want to have like a locking mechanism where the drawer can't just pull out all the way, and I'm trying to perfect that, and I'll see if I can get that sorted, and then this model will be right to go. So I'll get that sorted and then do a test print, and then I'll upload that to printverygood.com. And the other thing I've been working on is a card holder for the Nintendo Switch game cards, just to slip into here like so. So my son has a Nintendo Switch, and he asked for a card holder rather than having each game card stored in one of these. Now I printed this one up and it's got a few issues, the way the hinge works. So the new design will be like this, where the hinge is already built into the actual unit, into the actual case, and it prints in this orientation, and it doesn't need any support. So it prints already formed together, and I haven't test printed it yet, but I'm going to test print it right after this video, and hopefully if all goes well, it'll just come off the plate, off the build plate, and be ready to just fold together and be ready to use. So that should be coming very shortly as well. So be the filing cabinet plus this Switch card holder, which will be going up for free on my printverygood.com. Now the other thing I wanted to do was to welcome aboard Peter. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, Peter. So Peter is now my third Patreon subscriber. So thank you very much for joining, and thank you very much also to Brian and Merrick, who are sticking with me on Patreon, which is awesome. So now I've got a total of 3 Patreons. That's really good news. Now the other thing I want to just quickly mention is I've been in discussion with someone on a potential new format for my Print Very Good videos, and we're just fleshing out some of the ideas of what we're going to be doing. And what I'll do, I will let you know once it's concrete as to what's happening. But I think it could be a fun little addition to the videos I'm already doing, and be of great value to people. So look out for that coming up soon. Well, that's it. So thanks again for staying with me and sticking with me. Your support is truly valued, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.